everyone, this is James, Oromo James Agro. I would like to share to you what I have learned this week. So first thing is, in the Chat Hero, when we log into Chat Hero, I have learned how to create at, at this template for promotions, on how to create this new template for promotions and for in SMS. So that's it. So I have also I I have learned also about how to in this SMS API. I have learned also that so this one is how I create my, to set up this SMS promotions. So next is um, I will show you on in this SMS sequence also. In this week I have learned to how to set up the time of my SMS campaign. So this one I have set up I have also set up I have done set up my what do you call this uh, SMS campaign. Then also I have also connect this um, to my Facebook. Uh, this one. You have to wait. It's kind of loading. So now I have 35 subscriber. It's just kind of loading. Let me check. Let me check again. So this is the one that reply and give me some their phone numbers. So I have their contacts and their subscribers. So these are the subscriber of White Pill. So I have seen their information right here. So all of them are the subscribers. So here, so we have seen. So let's go back to the both settings. So right there we can see all the informations of the customer, subscriber, and then so let's see the sequence of SMS. So what I have written this week is I connect this one and we got all the information of them. Um, so let's try how it was, how it is respond to how it works. Okay, so let's try in this page white glow. So it responds like this. So what I have learned, all of them, is that you can get the information easily with the customer and can call them right, like automatic in the chatbot hero, in the chat hero rather. So let's just wait while it's loading. Okay, so let's just start it. Okay, get started. So it responds like this. So I have learned that if you subscribe, you will get all the information by setting the SMS chat hero. So all of this is really great and awesome. So get tested. So get the code. If you get the code, okay. So that's it. So it will address also the email address, and you have to input your phone number. So customer will subscribe, and we can get all the promotions that they needed. So example of the contact number is 3927755. So if that will be the contact number of the customers, so it will get this one, the promotion. So the first subscriber that will get into the white glow, they will get 10% discount of um, this one. And then if they click the order and save now, they will go to this one. So they can order um, to the store, or they can um, order to home delivery. So if we click this home delivery, it will appear like um, okay. When we are waiting, I will show to you also that how that I learned also how to create a coupon that will also um, how I create my coupon. So it's just the internet is not really going well. Let's just have a try. So I think that's it.